we're here and we are going to talk to you guys all about this pack of 3D squishy balls that are going to be great for stress. Yeah, here. You want to play with it? Here, it's all right. You can play with that one. So this is going to be amazing because, well, here, why don't you show them what it can do? Come show them what it can do. So you guys, it's going to have all of those little things that you can like push down. So it's going to be very satisfying. And then they can squeeze it and it pops back out. Isn't that fun? All right, so look, you can see what one of them looks like. All right, here, show yours. Here, let's show yours. Look at it. Ah, that's pretty cool. All right, you want to play with it? And the other nice thing is they can toss them all around too.